Promoting a dropshipping store on Instagram involves strategic content creation and engagement to attract and convert potential customers. Optimize profile. Craft a compelling bio with a clear description of your store. Use a recognizable profile picture and include a link to your store in the bio. High quality visuals. Share eye-catching products, photos or videos. Use professional images or user-generated content to showcase your products in real-life scenarios. Engaging captions and hashtags. Write compelling captions that resonate with your audience and include relevant hashtags to increase discoverability. Instagram Stories and Reels. Use these features to provide sneak peeks, behind-the-scenes content, product tutorials, or customer testimonials. Use engaging stickers, polls, and interactive elements to increase engagement. Influencer collaborations. Partner with relevant influencers or micro-influencers in your niche. Their endorsement can expose your products to their followers and boost credibility. Run Instagram ads. Utilize Instagram's advertising platform to target specific demographics, interests, or behaviors. Use captivating visuals and compelling call to actions. Engage with followers. Respond to comments, direct messages, and engage with user-generated content. Building a community fosters trust and loyalty. Contests and giveaways. Host contests or giveaways to increase engagement, reach a wider audience, and encourage user-generated content.